it's a crazy value. Only to show you. Now I switch on the brake detection. Okay. I think normally the machine should load up to about 900 kilonewton normally, and in the range of 900 kilonewton the machine should stop. Okay, we have a very low brake detection, 3 per mil, it's very low. I changed this also. This here to 30 about. You hear the noise?
Yeah.
And you see? It was in this range, about 200 kilonewton. That means in this range the value is too high. Because it was not stable, it was do. Now it's okay. At about 900 kilonewton, I think this is going up and down. Stable. It's not high enough. But these values, it really depends from the pump, from the cylinder, so it's difficult to find this value here.
Is this game set related with